Welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome. I'm so glad that you found us, and if you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend a part of your day with me. On this channel, we do some unboxings, we do makeup reviews, we do a little bit of lifestyle, we do skincare, and just all kind of things in between. And so I hope that before you click off the video today, you'll take a little bit of time and click on the big red subscribe button down below, become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for returning and choosing to spend a part of your day with me. In today's video, I'm really excited to show you during Black Friday, during that week of Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Ipsy was having some really good deals, and I had picked up one of their Black Friday deals, and I'm not exactly sure if this was like a Cyber Monday deal or what they were calling this, but I did pick up another Ipsy deal. And I wanted to show you what is in this box. So if you're interested to see what's in this box that I also picked up, I did pick up two deals. One I've already shown on my channel. I'll try to remember to link that up in the iCards if you want to see that one. But this is the second one that I picked up from Ipsy. If you want to see what's in this box, just keep watching. We're going to be getting into it right now. Okay guys, so in this box that I got from Ipsy, this was such an incredible deal. I couldn't believe it. I saw it, I was like, oh, let me hop on that. So I thought that this box was really good value for the money. It was $29.99. And so let's have a look at all of the products that's in the box, and let's get your opinions on whether the box was worth it. There is a set of Pharah brushes. You get 3 brushes in the set, and some of the Pharah brushes I really like. These are the ones that are kind of like the packaging of the NARS outer packaging of their palettes. It's a soft touch black matte handles, and this is a 40 FM stippling brush. This one is the Cheeky End 218 brush, and then this one is the 20 FF straight brush. So these I don't have in my collection. I think they're a pretty nice brush. The one that I really love from Pharah is the 35E, and it has a gold handle to it. So yeah, I'm not sure whether I've had these brushes, these exact ones, or not, but they look really nice. So that was in the box. Then we got a full size of the Benefit They're Real mascara. I've had this mascara before. I like it. I don't want to open it because I'm currently working on my mascaras right now, and there's no point in opening up one whenever I am currently working on one. But this does have a rubberized wand tip. So those are the type of tips that I like. This is a very good mascara, so I'm very happy to have that. It is full size. So yeah, this is a very good product. I'm very happy to have this in my collection. So not a bad deal right there at all. Then we got a perfume. It's Juliette Has A Gun. It's a very popular scent, and this is a very large size as far as a sample goes. It's kind of like the size of a purse spray. Just really nice size to just stick in your purse and go. So very happy to have that. So that was in here as well. Then we got the Ouai leave-in conditioner. I have never tried this product, but I do like the Ouai styling spray that's somewhat like a, it's kind of like a dry shampoo, but it's also a styling spray. It's almost like a dry shampoo, a hairspray, a styling spray, a holding spray, all in one. And I love that product very, very much. But this is the leave-in conditioner. I'm very happy to have that. And I think this is a full size as well. So really stoked to get this and give this a try, because the product that I had received in a box before from Ouai, I ended up repurchasing it. Like, I bought maybe 2 or 3 of those so far. So very excited to try this and see what I think about it. But it is a leave-in conditioner, and I love leave-in conditioners just to kind of spray on my hair right before I start styling it. So loving that. Then we got a deluxe size sample of the Oribe dry texturizing spray. So this would be a great one to put in my travel bag, just to have in there for when I can ever travel again. If that ever happens, that would be really cool just to put back for that. So Oribe products are very expensive, and most people really love them and swear by them. So I've never tried this, so that's exciting to have a new product to see whether I like that or not. So very excited to try that. And yeah, it's just a really nice little deluxe size sample. So very excited to try that. Then we got a Ofra highlighter, and this one is in the shade Glow Golds. And I'm not sure, I don't think that I have this one, but I think this one might be a little bit too dark for me. It just looks a little bit more champagne than what I usually use. So what I will probably do is save this for a giveaway. So I am just going to put that one right back. And I'll actually, even though this is torn, I'm going to put this right on back in here. So this is really the only product so far that I don't think will go with my super fair skin, but it's very, very pretty. I just think it would probably be better used by someone else. So I will actually put this in one of my little giveaway boxes. And then we got a MAC Cream Sheen lipstick, and this is in the shade Sweet Sakura. So it looks beautiful. It's like a, looks like a bricky red right there. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is kind of a, like a corally red. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. Look at that. I think that this might go really well with the Natasha Denona lip liner pencil that I got from BoxyCharm in like this watermelon shade. Oh, look, I think that's going to go really, really well together. So yeah, I think that that's going to go great for the springtime. I'm really excited to have this. I was expecting that it was going to be a really dark brick color. Oh, I like that. Okay. So that's going to be a really fun color. All right, I'm liking that. And then the last product that we got was the IBY Wonderland eyeshadow palette. And the outer packaging looks like this. And when you open it up, the eyeshadow palette looks like this. So when I received mine, these shadows here were completely busted. And so I did contact Ipsy, and I asked them if they would please send me out another palette, that I wanted to open this on my channel, and I wanted, you know, to do a look with the palette, and I wanted to show the palette on my channel. And they said to me they no longer had any in stock and they could not send me out another palette, and that they would give me a $4 credit for the eyeshadow palette. And I told them, I said, you know, could you please just send me another palette of some sort? Because they have another IBY palette for sale on their website right now for $12. Could they just please send me that? It's called the Desert Vibes. And they said no, they declined to send me that palette. And I said, well, then could you refund me $12, because that's what the palette goes for. And they said no, they could refund me $4. So they didn't offer me any points. They didn't offer me anything but the $4, which I really did not think was very hospitable or very good customer service for the amount of product that I buy on the Ipsy shopper. I buy a lot of product from Ipsy shopper, so you'll have to let me know what you think about the customer service. I didn't want money back. I didn't want the $4 back. I just wanted, you know, a Milani palette. Any kind of palette would have been fine with me. It didn't matter to me. I told them it didn't matter to me what palette it was. Just any palette would have been fine. You know, that I wanted to show it on my channel. I wanted to use the palette potentially in, you know, had it been this palette, I would have done a look with the palette, but since not, you know, I would use the palette in a giveaway potentially. Just any palette would have been fine. But they declined. So you'll have to let me know what you think about their customer service in this matter, what you think about the overall quality of the box. Did you pick up this box as well? Let me know down in the comments section, what was your favorite item in the box? And we are still rolling strong through the 12 days of unfiltered Gusmas. So if you would like to enter for the giveaway in today's video, then somewhere in your comment, leave the word lipstick. In your comment today, leave the word lipstick, and I will enter you in the random comment picker for one of the goodie boxes given away on my channel. And I look so forward to seeing you in my next video. If you haven't taken the time to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you join us as part of the family here on Unfiltered 50s. Go ahead and just click the big red subscribe button down below. It's really easy and it only takes a second, and then click your notifications to all so you don't miss an upload. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I hope that you're having a great day wherever you are at whatever time you're watching this video. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Mwah. Smooches. Bye-bye till next time.